Tired of stressing about your card details getting compromised when you shop online? Well, fret no more, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an FNB virtual card in under 90 seconds for safer, worry-free online shopping. First, open your FNB Banking app and log in using your preferred method that could be your fingerprint, facial recognition, or PIN. Once you're logged in, look for the Cards option on the main dashboard. It's usually located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it and proceed to the next step. Now, you'll see a list of your existing cards. Locate and tap on the Virtual Card option if you don't already have one. There will be an option to create one. Next, you will be prompted to customize your virtual card. Give it a descriptive name like online shopping or the name of the online retailer. Set your preferred spending limit. This controls how much can be transacted on that card, and choose an expiry date. Make sure to add funds before you create the card. After customizing your virtual card, you'll see the card number, expiry date, and CVV. Take a screenshot or write down these details as you'll need them for your online purchases. Remember, this card is linked to the funds in your FNB account and offers an added layer of security. That's it. You've successfully created an FNB virtual card. Now you can enjoy safer online shopping without exposing your primary card details. Remember to delete the virtual card after use for maximum security.